Well, started just with a little piece of scrap metal, a bit like this. Just an offcut. 50 by 25 by 2mm, I believe, is the right material for the job. And I've ended up with something like this. So just slide him right on here. At the end, it's just got a M12 nut. So it's actually, you can thread an M12 bolt in there to actually extend the length of the socket, in case you want to use one of these big guys here. And it's very flexible because of the amount of play I will have in my jack adjustable stand. I can level my jack through each corner. Currently it's jacked up quite almost to its maximum. I probably will use it a bit lower, but I'm playing with heights at the moment. As you can see, where it's sitting, my baseboard's going to be about the same sort of thickness, but it's going to be form ply over there. So the jack is sitting just above that at the moment. If I can get a good view of that. So I'm probably going to jack it further down so it will sit just flush with this, so I can pop up some MDF on top. And then when it's all covered over, this bit will be covered over, and I'll be able to use this guy at the edge of my table. At the same time, it's not going to get run over by the rack and pinion. So this one allows this to go up and down here. This one allows a little bit of side sway, so you can do the side sway in a circular motion. So I can jack this down further and it's got no problems operating at an angle. Yeah, seems to work okay, a little wobbly, but it's okay from a piece of scrap metal like this. I've made these custom clamps just to hold the vise in place. Just out of a piece of RHS that has been cut in half and then just chopped off a bit more with the angle grinder. Give a view of how that sort of bolts in. So just had a fencing, pretty heavy duty fencing bracket spare that I've just welded to the bottom frames, the bottom RHS, and that's going to be welded onto the table frame, onto these members here. I'm going to get rid of this power board once I do this. And you can just release this, so the clamp is held in place with the M12 nut. So that holds the vise in, and then these two little screws just hold in the top of a leveling assembly. I was going to put bolts in, but just for the sake of saving time, seeing how the screws go, because we've got the middle bolt and the two side screws, going to see if that's enough just to save time. So I just need to get in there, undo those on each side, and I can take the whole top plate assembly off in case I need to service it. I'll probably post another video of this all neatly packed in once I've got all the baseboard in, all set up. But right now I'm just finishing off any welding jobs on the table, because I've got all the steppers disconnected and don't want to fry any electronics. we'll update that in the next video.